Welcome to Kroolo. In this video, we will see how you can compare the performance of two engineers in sprints. This is our sprints dashboard. First, go to the Engineering Intelligence section. Then click on Engineer Comparison. This is where you can compare the performance of two engineers. Let's select the first engineer. Just click on Select Engineer and pick the engineer from the list. Now let's select Engineer B. Click here. Select the engineer from the list and you'll instantly see a comparison between the two engineers you chose. Here you can see the activity overview. Below, you'll find collaboration details. If you scroll further down, you'll see a complete performance overview. On the left, you can see all the metrics. Here you'll find the names of the two engineers you picked. And here we have a metric leader. That's how you can compare the performance of two engineers in sprints.